one for 4 marks. Find the equations of straight lines passing through the point minus 3 comma 2 and making an angle of 45 degrees with the straight line. See what is given to us? Equations of straight line passing through the point and making an angle 45 degrees with the straight line. Suppose that is passing through this point. Equation of straight line passing through this point means we can consider two lines are passing. One is passing in this direction, another is passing in this direction. And making an angle 45 degrees with the straight line means it goes and makes 45 degrees angle with this straight line. What is that straight line given to us? 3x minus y plus 4 is equals to 0. Once you understood this one, then we can move further. What we have to do? Whenever they have given equations of straight lines, the plural form is given, passing through the point. Two lines are passing through this point and making 45 degrees angle with the line given. So this is the case given to us. You can join this one or you can leave it up to the mark, your wish. So once we have this type of question, what you have to do is, we have to think that this is m. Slope of the line is, this line is m, and we need to find slope of this line, second line. This slope is m1 and the second slope is m2. An angle between them is 45 degrees. So first thing, we'll consider the lines here. This is line 1 and line 2. Let slope of line 1 is equals to m1. Slope of line 2, 3x minus y plus 4 is equals to 0, is m equals to minus a by b, that equals to minus 3 by minus 1, which is 3. So we have two slopes. Now theta equals to 45 degrees. This is angle between 1 and 2. This is the concept which you need to remember. We need to find equations of straight lines passing through a point and making 45 degrees with the line. So first step, what you have to do? Slope of line 1 m1 and slope of line 2 is m2, which is 3. We have slope of this line and slope of this line. Because equation is given, we can find slope from that line. Here equation is not given, so m1 as it is. Now what we have to do? When theta is given, m1, m2 is given, we have to use tan theta formula. Modulus m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 into m2. Tan theta value is 45 degrees, m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 into m2. This is 1, m1 minus 3 divided by 1 plus 3 m1. Squaring on both sides. If it's squared on both sides, what we'll get? 1 is equals to m1 minus 3 whole square by 1 plus 3m1 whole square. Once we are squaring, there will be no modulus now. Squaring both the sides we did, so now square it, a square plus b square minus 2ab. Here also same thing, a square plus b square plus 2ab. If I cross multiply and simplify, what I get? 1 plus 9m1 square plus 6m1 is equals to m1 square plus 9 minus 6m1. Now we will take all the terms to left side. 1 plus 9m1 square plus 6m1 minus m1 square minus 9 plus 6m1 equal to 0. 8m1 square plus 12m1 minus 9 plus 1 minus 8. Now if I take 4 common from this one, 4 2s 8, 4 3s 12, 4 2s 8. Now we can find, factorize this one, 2 2s are 4, 4 1 times 4. So 2m1 square plus 4m1 minus 1m1 minus 2 equal to 0. 2m1 common, m1 plus 2 minus 1 common, m1 plus 2 equal to 0. m1 plus 2 into 2m1 minus 1 is equals to 0. m1 is equals to minus 2 or m1 is equals to 1 by 2. We got two m1 values. So first thing, m1 we got here minus 2 and this is also m1 which is 1 by 2. Now we have two cases. Case 1, m is equals to minus 2 and we have to consider the point from which the line passes, x1, y1. Equation of line y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. Y minus 2 is equals to m into x minus of minus 3. Similarly, we have case 2, m is equals to second case 1 by 2. And the same point x1, y1, y minus y1 equals to m into x minus of x1. So what we have done till here, we need to find equations of straight lines passing through the point and making angle 45 degrees with the straight line is given to us. For such questions, slope of line 1, slope of line 2, angle between the lines, then tan theta formula. Once we are substituting in tan theta formula, you will get m1, two values of m1. Take the point and find equation by taking case 1, m is equals to minus 2. If you want to simplify, you can simplify further. Then case 2 m value and we have to do this one. More two questions if you do, you will get correct concept regarding this one. Passing through angle with the straight line. Passing through 1, 2. Making an angle 60 degrees with the line root 3x plus y plus 2 equals to 0. What they have given, find the equation of straight line passing through the point 1, 2 and making an angle 60 degrees with the straight line. So same thing we have to imagine this one. There is an equation, the passing through point is 1, 2. Making angle 60 degrees with the straight line. Here 60 degrees with this straight line. Root 3x plus y plus 2 equal to 0. So this is line 1 equation is m1 and line 2 equation is m2. So what you have to do, you can either take m1, m2 also no issue. What you have to do is slope of line 1. Let the slope of line 1 equals to m1. Slope of line 2 is minus a by b. A and b are these values. A and b. A is root 3, b is 1. So minus root 3. Theta equals to 60 degrees. This is angle between 1 and 2. If angle between 1 and 2 is given and we have slopes, so which formula we have to use? Tan theta. Or you can remember, whenever such concept is given to you, that time you have to use tan theta formula, modulus m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 into m2. Tan 60 degrees equals to m1 as it is minus m2 minus of minus root 3 plus root 3 by 1 plus m1 into m2. Now this is tan 60 root 3 m1 plus root 3 by root over by just modulus 1 minus root 3 m1. Squaring on both sides. If we square this one, we will get 3 is equals to m1 plus root 3 square divided by 1 minus root 3 m1 whole square. This will be 3 equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Here a square plus b square minus 2ab. Cross multiply these two. By cross multiplication, 3 is multiplied, 3 plus 3 is 9 m1 square minus 6 root 3 m1 is equals to m1 square plus 3 plus 2 root 3 m1. Now this equals 3 plus 9 m1 square minus 6 root 3 m1 minus m1 square minus 3 minus 2 root 3 m1 equals to 0. 9 m1 square minus this is 8 m1 square minus 6 root 3 minus 2 minus 8 root 3 m1, 3 minus 3 is cancelled, 0. Now what we have, 8 m1 common, m1 minus root 3, m1 equals to 0 by 8 or m1 is equals to root 3. m1 equals to 0 or m1 is equals to root 3. Now case 1, m1 we have to take and the point 1 comma 2, x1 y1. Then equation of line is y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. So y minus 2 is equals to m into x minus 1. So y minus 2 equal to 0. In case 2, m is equals to root 3 and the point again same point. M is root 3 and second same point we have to consider x1 y1. Equation of line we have to find this line. Y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. Equation of line formula m into x minus x1. Your wish, if you want to simplify further, you can simplify. See, whenever you are practicing any question, read out the question and remember what are the steps you need to remember. What are the steps you need to keep in mind? Slope of line 1 m1, slope of line 2. Whatever line is intersecting, that slope is m2. Then the angle between the lines is given to us 60 degrees. So tan theta formula we have to use. We will get two m values. Taking the point, substitute the m values. That is the answer. One more if you will see, you can find it easy. Minus 10 comma 4, making an angle theta with the straight line x minus 2y is equals to 10, such that tan theta is equals to 2. Same thing, find the equation of straight line which passes through a point is given, making an angle theta with the straight line is given to us, such that tan theta is 2. Same concept, we need to find equation of straight line passing through the point, making what they have given, angle with the straight line. This 10 comes to left side, minus 10 equal to 0. Angle is theta, but what they have mentioned, tan theta is equals to 2. So no issue of think that angle is given to us. So what we will have now, m1 and m2. So what do you have to write? Let slope of line 1 is equals to m1, slope of line 2 is equals to m2, which is minus a by b minus 1 by minus 2, which is 1 by 2. Then theta is not given, theta is equals to angle between 1 and 2, which implies tan theta is equals to 2. Now we have tan theta formula, modulus m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 into m2. Tan theta directly they have given. So previously 45 given, tan 60 is root 3. But here tan theta answer is given to us such that they have given tan theta is 2. So m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 into m2. Same thing we will do, but we will simplify further. 2m1 minus 1 by 2. 2 plus m1 by 2. 2 cancelled, squaring on both sides. 4 is equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Same thing, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Cross multiplication. 4 into 4, 16 plus 4 m1 square plus 16 m1. Then take this terms to left side. Minus 4 m1 square minus 1 plus 4 m1 equals to 0. How many squares are there? 4 m1 square, 4 m1 square cancelled. 16 m1 plus 4 m1. 20 m1 plus 16 minus 1. 15 equal to 0. 20 m1 is minus 15. m1 is equals to minus 15 by 20. m1 is equals to 5 3 times 5 4 times 20. m1 value we got it. Whenever any value is getting cancelled in square values, you can consider one slope to be 0 also. You wish. If you consider 0, what you will get? Okay. Equation of line y is equals to m into x minus x1. So m value is there, minus 3 by 4, and point is given to you, x1 y1. Y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. So what you have to consider, same pattern, 3 problems are there, practice this one and submit to me. Make sure to subscribe this one channel so that after subscribing the channel, whatever videos will be uploaded, check the video, whether that video belong to degree class or inter class, second year or first year. You can watch that one by getting the notification. If I will forget to upload the video on WhatsApp, you can directly watch by seeing the YouTube notification.